We have all been there. You buy a beautiful desk from IKEA or Amazon, you open the box, and it explodes into a million pieces. The instructions make no sense, and you want to pull your hair out. Millions of people hate assembling furniture. But if you are the kind of person who loves puzzles or loves building Legos, then this is your dream business. You can earn $50 to $80 an hour just to twist some screws. This is the furniture assembly business. We show you the smartest ways to make money in 2026. If you are handy with tools, smash that like button and subscribe now. Let's build this business. Why is this business booming? Because online furniture sales are higher than ever. People are buying beds, desks, and wardrobes from Wayfair and Amazon every day. But when the box arrives, they realize they don't have the time or the patience to build it. They need a hero. That hero is you. It is a low-stress job with instant gratification. The tools. You do not need a full workshop. You can start with less than $150. You need a reliable cordless drill, but here's the pro secret. Buy a set of Hex Key Drill Bits. You know those annoying little L-shaped wrenches that come with the furniture? Throw them away. Use your drill with a hex bit. You will finish the job 10 times faster than a normal person. Speed equals money. Finding work. You don't need to knock on doors. There are apps that do the work for you. The biggest one is TaskRabbit. Sign up as a furniture assembler, set your rate. People in your city are already searching for help on this app. Start with a lower rate to get your first 5 reviews. Once you have 5 stars, double your price. Top assemblers on TaskRabbit easily make $3,000 to $5,000 a month working part-time. How to charge. Beginners charge by the hour, but experts charge a flat rate. Here's why. If you get really fast and you can build a dresser in 30 minutes, why should you be paid less? Charge $80 for the dresser. If you finish in 30 minutes, you just made $80 for half an hour of work. That's $160 an hour. Efficiency is your profit multiplier. One final tip. Organization. When you open the box, separate all the screws and bolts into small cups or a magnetic tray. Don't lose a single screw. It looks professional and it stops you from making mistakes. This business is fun, active, and profitable. Stop playing video games. Start playing with real-life Legos and get paid. Are you ready to build? Comment assembly below. Don't forget to subscribe